The puppies have now decided that they want to walk. So that's little lady over there, that's Dawn's favorite. There she goes. Oh, she slipped on the floor. Yeah, we gotta get a rug down for the puppies. And that's Daisy sleeping away all her worries. And then we got little Miss Chloe.
Little
Here, Chloe. Put Chloe on the blanket because she's so fat. Lady's walking.
Open, Mommy.
Ryan, close up, please.
No, Chloe wants open.
Chloe's tired.
Chloe tired.
Little Daisy's hungry.
Little Daisy's hungry. And get up in the cage. And we go back in the lobby.
Chloe's decided she's going to do something. You gonna walk, Chloe? Come on, Chloe. It's nap time. No, Ryan, that's Daisy over there.
Over there?
That's Daisy.
Over here?